first working 3D printer was created in 1984 by Charles W. Hall of 3D Systems Corp. The first published account of a printed solid model 3D printer was made by Hito Kodama of Nagoya Municipal Industrial Research Institute. Cost of 3D printers 2010 to 2013 was upwards of $20,000. Is now currently under $1,000 per printer. We went on to ask our local technology experts on what they think of the 3D printer. This is what they said. Richie Burke here with Mr. Drexel. What do you think the purpose of 3D printers in the school is?
The purpose of the 3D printer will allow students to make physical models of their designs instead of just seeing simulations on the computer screen, which right now they're doing with 3D animations. They'll be able to print them out, test the fit, test their designs, and also be able to possibly work in teams and engineering projects.
Alright, so what do you think the purpose of 3D printers on the world is, and what impact do they have?
Well, the impact on the world is something which is so outrageous and almost fictitious, like science crazy, that we're hearing about things like possibly printing out organs. I know in manufacturing it might allow the U.S. to compete again with Europe. If we can figure out a way to manufacture things much cheaper, especially complex shapes, 3D printers will allow us to print out something which is very intricate without a lot of steps involved in manufacturing.
So what does Waldwick do with 3D printing?
Well, we have high school and middle school clubs, and when they come together, we design things like cookie cutters and chain links and nuts and bolts, and we're probably going to be designing in the future iPhone cases, and we might even try Super Bowl rings.
Okay. What impact does a 3D printer have on the world?
It's having a huge impact on a lot of different industries. It's used in the automotive industry for making prototypes, but nowadays people are using it for end products as well. Things that are being used in fashion, they're actually using food to print with. We can't do it with our machine, but that is something that exists. They're designing things in all types of fields, and we're just really excited to give the students an opportunity to try it out with this kind of basic model so they can get a taste of what they might be trying out in college and their career someday.
Thank you for your time.